Hello, cool beans and cool witches. Welcome back to the channel. And I just wanted to come on so that I could talk to you today about cumin. I love it in my food. I love it, especially in my house. I'm the one that does all the Mexican food. And this is the go-to goat for the original base of the flavors. But it's also so good in Magic. It is very protective. It is a powerful protectant, and it keeps negative energies away, negative entities, demons, just evil in general. The evil eye keeps it at bay. Spirits, bad spirits, they don't like the smell of it. So you can burn it. You can eat it. They won't come near your aura because, it's on your breath. And I was coming because I didn't have cumin for a while because I had used it all up and the store was out and we just didn't get any. And I needed to make some boss fix for someone. And I didn't have any cumin, so what I used was curry powder because I love to put that in my food sometimes. But I don't use it often, so I have a lot of it around. And if we look at the ingredients, it has cumin as its first ingredient. It also has turmeric, which is very good in protective magic, black pepper, fenugreek, red pepper, ginger, celery, and cardamom, all of which are good in protective magic, speeding things up, um, commanding. I would say commanding. Cumin is also good for love and fidelity, which I put in the category of commanding and domination, but in a softer way than other things. So I use that in the boss fix, but because I now have cumin, I decided to put it in there. I'm adding it to my black salt mix. And I've already added some. I'll add a little bit more. This right here was the blend that I made for my birthday, and it is the Fiery Wall blend that I made. I didn't need a lot. I just made a little bit. I don't make big batches unless I actually absolutely need a lot, or if I'm making it to sell. But this was just a blend that I made to do a ritual on my birthday, and I posted about that on Instagram, talking about protective magic being everyone's priority, because there's always things, energies, peoples that you will need to band yourself from, ward yourself from, protect yourself from, and enemies, no, 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 no. So, I have a couple of things for that. That also includes your hot foot. You can put it in your hot foot. And you could also put it in your spirit powder. And spirit powder, I mini make to curse hex fix. Nice tongue twister. Enemies, or an enemy, unknown. So if you only have like a name or a screen name or hell, a description. Like I said, protection magic, it's not to hurt and harm and just throw fireballs at people. It is to keep certain things away from your energy, your atmosphere, your assets, your aura, your being, yourself, your loved ones, whatever. It's important, especially nowadays, but it's just important in general. And you've got a lot of the energies with you. So you can use ground cumin and things like black pepper, garlic skins, cayenne, red pepper, stuff like that. Um, Salt, or if you don't have cumin, you can grab some curry powder. But yeah, those are some things you can use cumin in, and I will be back another time with more info. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and let's get to know each other and chat in the comments. Later, babes.